Namaskar. I'm Rakhi.
And I'm Yogesh. And we welcome you to the first edition of
Fortis in the News. Fortis in the News endeavors to bring you the latest updates from across the Fortis network in a quick and easy audiovisual format. Up next is an update on the new launches across our network.
A state-of-the-art Fortis Cancer Institute was inaugurated at Defence Colony in New Delhi on 22nd June. This cancer daycare center is the latest addition to the comprehensive cancer care program of Fortis in Delhi NCR. This center was inaugurated by eminent film personality Ms. Sharmila Tagore in the presence of Dr. Ashutosh Raghuvanshi, MD and CEO, senior clinicians and the Fortis leadership.
A high-dose radioiodine therapy isolation ward was inaugurated at Fortis Hospital, BG Road, Bangalore, in the presence of Mr. Anil Vinayak, Group COO, on 14th June. The facility is led by Dr. Gayana S. Radioiodine is a mainstay of treatment for cancer of thyroid gland.
The Fortis Bone and Joint Institute at Fortis Hospital, Shalimar Bagh, New Delhi, launched a dedicated joint replacement care center on 1st July. The center is backed by advanced technological equipment and will cater to personalized care and rehabilitation of patients. The institute is led by Dr. Amite Pankaj Agarwal and has dedicated pain management team to aid pain-free recovery.
Fortis Hospital Mulund has added a new floor consisting of additional 42 beds. The new floor was inaugurated by Mr. Anil Vinayak along with Dr. S. Narayani on June 30th.
Our doctors continue to do a phenomenal job and notch up one success after another. Let's take a look at a few recent clinical success stories.
In a first in India, a team of doctors at Fortis Escorts Heart Institute, New Delhi, led by Dr. Atul Mathur, performed a challenging transcatheter aortic valve replacement procedure on a 74-year-old male patient. The patient was born with his heart on the right side, called dextrocardia. This is the first such case reported in India and only the fourth in the world.
हालांकि सबका लेफ्ट साइड में ही हार्ट होता है, सो बचपन से ही ये इनको मालूम था और बिल्कुल सब ठीक चल रहा था, लेकिन पिछले कुछ महीनों में इनका सांस जब ज़्यादा फूलने लग गया तो ये थोड़ा सा उसके बारे में कंसर्न रहे और जब पेन ज़्यादा सीवियर हुआ चेस्ट के अंदर तो ये हॉस्पिटल में हमसे मिलने जब आए। उसके पहले कोविड की वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रीक्वेंटली मुलाकात नहीं होती थी, दवाइयाँ इनकी चलती थी ब्लड प्रेशर वगैरह की, तो वो अभी जब पेन के लिए आए तब इवैल्यूएशन में पता लगा कि ये पिछले 2-3 साल के अंदर ये ब्लॉकेज काफ़ी सीवियर था।
Doctor at Fortis Memorial Research Institute, Gurugram, used the extremely challenging intra-arterial delivery of chemotherapy procedure to treat a Nigerian infant's eye cancer. The multidisciplinary team of doctors included Dr. Anita Sethi, Dr. Mayank Bansal, Dr. Vijaykant Dikshit, Dr. Suman Karanth.
Doctors at Fortis Nagarbhavi, Bangalore, removed a 67-year-old's complex and recurrent common bile duct stones along with an adherent and broken stent. The clinical team was led by Dr. Ramraj VN.
In a first in Western UP, the Impella pump was used at Fortis Noida during the treatment of 62-year-old's heart blockages. The device is used to maintain blood flow during complex cardiac procedures when the heart function is low. The procedure was led by Dr. Ajay Kaul and Dr. Sanjeev Gera.
A multidisciplinary team of doctors at Fortis BG Road, Bangalore, helped an 18-year-old accident victim return to normal life. The accident had caused multiple fractures and crushed both the lungs of the patient. The patient underwent a prolonged ICU stay and was closely monitored for over 2.5 months. The team of doctors included Dr. Padma Kumar, Dr. Vivek Anand Padegal, Dr. Pruthu Dekhane, Dr. Pooja, Dr. Chandan, Dr. Sudarshan GT, Dr. Geeta, and Dr. Manish Joshi, among others.
Fortis Hospital and Kidney Institute, Kolkata, celebrated its 23rd Foundation Day on July 2nd. Here's a wrap-up of the celebration.
Dr. Shivaji Basu, who has been one of the pillars of the hospital, was felicitated on the occasion. A cake was cut by Dr. Basu, Dr. R.K. Gopala Krishna, and Dr. Partha Karmakar, in the presence of Dr. Gautam Hazarika, Captain Gopa Hazra, Mr. Shabendu Prakash, and the employees of the hospital. An event was held to celebrate the successful completion of over 1,000 bone marrow transplants done by the Delhi NCR BMT team. The clinical milestone was achieved under the leadership of Dr. Rahul Bhargav and Dr. Vikas Dua. The event saw participation from the patients and their families. World Blood Donor Day is observed on June 14 each year to raise awareness of the need for safe blood and blood products for transfusion. Hospitals across Fortis network celebrated World Blood Donor Day with much enthusiasm. Take a look.
658 units of blood were collected at a drive organized by Fortis Mumbai cluster.
59 voluntary blood donors participated in a camp organized by Fortis Escorts Okhla, New Delhi.
Fortis Flight Lieutenant Rajendal Hospital, Vasant Kunj, New Delhi, conducted a drive at a prominent city hotel and collected 31 units.
Fortis Hospital Shalimar Bagh, New Delhi, felicitated voluntary donors on World Blood Donor Day. 51 voluntary donors participated in the event.
More than 120 units of blood were collected from voluntary donors at a camp conducted by Fortis Hospital, Mohali.
Doctors' Day was celebrated with great fanfare across our network. Doctors, medical staff, and employees participated in the celebrations. Before we conclude, let's have a quick round of applause for our clinicians, who have been honored with various awards.
Dr. Ramesh Agarwala of Fortis Anandpur, Kolkata, has been felicitated with the Lifetime Achievement Award. The award was presented at the annual conference of Indian Association of Gastrointestinal Endosurgeons at Rajamudri, Andhra Pradesh.
Dr. Rahul Singhal of Fortis Jaipur has won the Best Cardiologist in Cardiac Electrophysiology Award instituted by Time Cyber Media.
It's a great moment for me. I'm receiving this award for the second time in the field of Best Cardiac Electrophysiology.
Ms. Shanu Thomas of Fortis Hospital and Kidney Institute, Kolkata, has won the first position at elocution competition organized by Association of Nurses Executives, India.
And that's all we have in this news bulletin. We hope you enjoyed the first edition of Fortis in the News as much as we enjoyed putting it together.
Do drop us an email should you have any comments, feedback, or suggestion.
Stay happy and stay healthy till we meet again.
Goodbye.
And take care.
Hello everyone. I hope you liked the very first edition of Fortis in the News. Please share your feedback and suggestions to help us make this better. Now I would like to introduce you to the team behind the scenes who have helped in making this audiovisual bulletin possible.
Hi, this is Debashish from Corporate Office, Gurgaon.
Hi, this is Anmol Singh from Fortis Mohali.
Hi, I am Rajkishore Gupta from Fortis Escort Hospital, Jaipur.
Hi, I am Chandni from Fortis Escorts Okhla, New Delhi.
Hello, I am Dhaval Monga from Fortis Hospital, Shalimar Bagh.
Hi, I am Dinesh and I am from Fortis Hospital, Noida.
Hi, I am Jessica from Fortis Bangalore.
Hi, my name is Manpreet Kaur from Fortis Memorial Research Institute, Gurugram.
Hi, I am Nirupa from Fortis Hospital, Vadapaini, Chennai.
Hello, I am Prerna Munshi from Fortis, Kolkata.
Hi, my name is Preeti and I am from Fortis Hospital, Delhi.
Hi, I'm Priya Bengre, Corporate Communications, Fortis Hospitals in Mumbai.
Hi, this is Rishu from Corporate Office, Gurgaon.
Hi, I am Rohitan Pratap Singh from Fortis Hospital, Ludhiana.
Hi, I am Saurav Sinha, Fortis CDOC, Chirag Enclave, New Delhi.
Hello, I am Koninika De from Fortis Hospital and Kidney Institute, Rash Bihari Avenue, Kolkata.
Hi, this is Anusha Saxena from Fortis Faridabad.
Hi, my name is Pankaj Bakru and I am from Corporate Office, Gurugram.